What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. The market is looking to heat up very soon. We have interest rate cuts coming in as little as 31 days. Even with the elevated PPI report that showed a little bit of a tick up in inflation, the market is still concerned about unemployment going up and people losing jobs. So it looks like interest rate cuts literally went from like 98% happening to 92%. So that PPI report didn't do anything. Interest rate cuts are still on the table. We are about to get a rate cut, and this is going to send companies' growth into rocket fuel growth potential. And SoFi is going to be one of the best companies to capitalize on that interest rate cut. I'm telling you guys, you can see it in the marketing. They are going for it all. They are going for the 1 million member mark. And I'm telling you right now, I'm looking at my projections, how SoFi just destroyed the Q2 expectations. I think there's a 30% possibility that SoFi is going to clear the $1 billion revenue quarter this early in the game. Think about if they're clearing $1 billion now. What are they going to be doing by the end of 2026, end of 2027? This company is going to be a monster. All the investments that have been made the past 3-4 years are all starting to pay off. The massive SoFi Stadium deal worth $40 million a year, the TGL deal, the NBA deal, the CMA deal. All this is about to compound at once. You are going to see tremendous growth top to bottom, revenue, profitability, and members, and you're about to see SoFi's product adoption extend into new product variations. Level 1 options is coming. Cash codes, the invest platform's getting updated. 10 Galileo deals are coming. I'm telling you right now, the two big things that are going to send this stock into overdrive. On the left, you have the crypto launch. We have no idea when that's coming. We have no idea if the $1.7 billion offering had something to do with that. We don't know what they're doing with the $1.7 billion. We just have to wait and see. And then on the other side, you got interest rate cuts, potentially two happening in 2025. These are the two massive catalysts that are going to send this stock higher. And there was hundreds upon hundreds of people when we started out the year, January 1st, 2025. Everybody calling for $25 price target. I get it. Everybody was concerned with the price action, how, SoFi always lagged the market. Well, we still have, 4.5 months to go, and we're right around $24. What could happen in that 4-month time span if a crypto launch and interest rate cuts added onto the platform, and then you see a Q3 revenue, $1 billion, 40% growth again? I believe this stock is going to clear $35, $40 pretty easily in the next 4.5 months if we get what we want. We need SoFi management to capitalize on this upward movement heading into interest rate cuts. The time is now. I believe SoFi is going to be one of the best capitalized companies in this lower interest rate environment, and I'm very excited. We have a lot of great information to show you today. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look at the SoFi stock. We finished Friday, which is usually the options trading wipeout. They couldn't hold us under 22. They couldn't hold us under 22.50. We almost got the short sellers for $24, but they, held us back a little bit. Let's look at the 1 week. We're up 7% on the week last week, so not a bad trading week at all, but I believe a big move is going to happen. We could get a 20% move in a random week. If SoFi gives us some good news, we get more good news about inflation. Guys, I'm telling you right now, there's not a better time to be inside of the market. I would be acquiring any dip opportunities that are coming my way. This is the time to be invested in the market because 2026, I think the stocks are going to send to fairy tale land, and I'm just holding for the ride right now. Take a look at the CME FedWatch tool, guys. Target rate probabilities for September 25. We're sitting at 92%. I believe the high was like 96%. So this thing didn't move at all. They know that there's a chance that, unemployment could skyrocket, jobs could be getting wiped out, and it's time to get rates lower. We can't keep worrying about this 2% inflation level. It's likely not going to happen. We'll probably hover around 2.5 to 3.5 over the next couple of years. The Fed is just overreacting using legacy data and metrics. And we have breaking news. SoFi finished Friday 6 out of 7 green days. That is some awesome price action that I'm loving, guys. Look at the volume. The volume is so low. 50, 58, 68, 50, 43. Low volume. You can just tell this stock is just waiting for the management team to drop a hammer, and I'm telling you, this thing is going to rip 15 to 20% out of nowhere heading into Q3. There's so much big news that SoFi has not given us. The loan platform business is scaling. We haven't got a deal since the 2024 Blue Owl deal, okay? We need some big deals on the way, and I believe they're coming pretty soon. Once again, guys, so many people are talking about, this $25 price target, but hey, we're at $24 basically right now. We're about 17% away from $28 all-time highs. Once we hit that 28, clear skies are ahead. There's nothing above us stopping us. There's no resistance. Everybody will be in the green. We need to have so much good news packed on good news that we need to send this stock to 35.40, and then we'll have new sellers, new resistance. But we just need to get as far past 28 as possible. And I believe that could be happening any week now. We got 4.5 months left in the year. I think the stock's going to finish $35 to $40 this year. Once again, like I said in the beginning of the video, I believe there's a 30% chance SoFi does $1 billion in revenue in Q3 with just all of the growth drivers that I'm seeing, all of the marketing scale, the profitability push. You're seeing the acquisition of Technisys, come online with everything being fully integrated. SoFi is going to be able to save money. And remember the hype that Robinhood had when they hit $1 billion in revenue? They've had 6 months straight in a row not even being able to hit that 1 billion. And I believe once we hit that 1 billion, we're never going back like Robinhood because we're not adjusted to just trading volumes. We have so many diversified product and revenue streams coming in, and you're seeing SoFi add on more products, and crypto is about to be a new product, going to allow us to add more members, going to allow us to cross-sell faster. I'm telling you right now, once we hit 1 billion, it's going to be in the back seat. We're going to hit 1.5 billion, 2 billion a quarter. This company's going to be a 10 billion revenue monster, dropping about 25% to the bottom line, 2.5 billion in profits. This is likely going to happen over 2027, 2028. I'm telling you guys, I'm getting very excited. All right, guys, take a look at this. We have about 98% of institutional owners updated, I believe. After initiating 10 sell ratings over 2 years, Bank of America is now the 7th largest holder of SoFi, accumulating 19 million shares, total value at 340 million. These dudes added 7.5 million shares inside of Q2 while also reiterating a sell rating at $13. Do you see what the banks do, the legacy banks do behind the scenes? They have their analysts on Wall Street come out, give it a $13 sell rating, and then what they're doing is buying up SoFi, their asset managers, at crazy levels, for all their Bank of America clients. And you can see they believe SoFi is going to rise extremely high, and that's why they're putting it inside of their portfolios, because people are going to profit off SoFi's success. So Bank of America is, distorting the price action to the media, acquiring shares behind the scenes. Now take a look, guys. We have all the top 10 whales officially updated, and I said something changed in Q2. Did you see it? Of course, Jane Street coming in for the offering, buying up 54 million shares. But look at the other increases. UBS, a 41% increase. Bank of America, 65% increase. Volaridge, 91% increase. Two Sigma, 49% increase. These dudes were loading up like crazy for the Q2. I mean, this is insane. Q3, I believe we're going to go even higher because you're going to see more institutions pile into the stock. We're about to get into some new index funds. Why are they buying up these shares? That's because 44% growth in Q2. Institutional whales scooping up 80 million shares in the block offering trade. Jane Street said, hey, add us in, we're in, we're going to go long. 8 out of 10 top whales added in Q2. Growth is re-accelerating. Crypto launch any day now. 10 Galileo tech platform deals closed. As Anthony Noto said, for Q1 2026, new revenue streams. And y'all still selling to the whales. Not me. No, not me. I will not fall for this. Anytime I see these sell ratings, I just know what's going on behind the scenes. Whales are accumulating. Any price target out there, guys, is just BS. You can see we got $35 price target from William Blair, two $30 price targets from Jefferies, and a $27 price target from Mizuho. We're undervalued right here, guys. Fair value is in the $30, $35 range. All right, guys, take a look. It's 100% official. Retail got played again by the legacy bank sell ratings. Institutional ownership hits highest record in company history. Look at the bar going crazy. Even if you count in the offering of 80 million shares, we went up an additional 40 million shares in just regular institution acquiring outside of the offering. So whales were accumulating. We're almost at, 620 million shares. This is absolutely insane, guys. If we continue to go higher, SoFi's base is going to go higher, and we're going to be inside of the S&P 500 in no time. We're already bigger company than 4 companies that just got entered into the S&P 500 on a market cap. We are eligible across the board. Revenue growth, profitability, market cap. This thing is going to go in before you imagine, and I'm telling you, we're going higher and higher. I believe the $30 level is coming pretty soon. All right, take a look at this. Breaking news. SoFi banking asset rankings have been updated, and you can see Since SoFi has acquired their bank license, look at the speed that they have increased their assets. March 2022, they're at 449th ranking. 240, 184, 149, 114, 90, 80. December 2023, 75th, 74, 69, 67, 63, 60, 56. We're scaling up assets even faster. We just jumped up 4 billion. If you just do this for another year, guys, I mean, we're going to be in the, top 20, top 30. You can see how fast SoFi is building up their assets on top of building up their fee-based revenue, which has nothing to do with their assets. And they're scaling that business at like 80% growth for financial services. I'm telling you right now, this company is moving into the right direction. I think we're going to continue to see 40% growth rates. $1 billion quarters are coming soon, and SoFi is going to take over all the market share. I believe Anthony Noto's goal of 50 million members is going to happen eventually. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Hope you guys have a great day.